It's called Boxabl. It's foldable home in a box will cut costs for builders and home buyers.
With the Boxabl rumor.
I do actually have a Boxabl, yeah.
You do?
Some prototype Boxabl that's down in South Texas.
Elon Musk has become synonymous with innovation, sustainability, and futuristic thinking. From electric cars to space exploration, Musk's ventures aim to change the world. Among his many initiatives, Musk's association with sustainable tiny homes represents a shift towards minimalism, affordability, and eco-friendly living. The idea of a $10,000 compact house is not just a concept, it's a reality that aligns with Musk's broader commitment to sustainable energy and innovative solutions. These tiny homes are designed to be cost-effective, easy to assemble, and incorporate Tesla's energy technology, promoting off-grid living. The tiny home movement has grown over the past decade as people seek more affordable, eco-friendly, and minimalist lifestyles. Traditional housing often comes with high costs, long construction times, and a significant environmental impact. Tiny homes, however, offer a simpler, more sustainable alternative. These compact dwellings encourage people to reduce clutter, live more consciously, and embrace sustainability. For Musk, this represents an opportunity to merge his passion for minimalism with technological innovation, furthering his vision of a more sustainable future. Elon Musk's $10,000 tiny home initiative focuses on delivering a practical, sustainable, and minimalist lifestyle. Here are the key features of these homes. First, the compact and portable design. The homes are designed to be compact yet functional, making them easy to transport and set up. The goal is to offer a space-efficient layout that provides everything needed for comfortable living without any excess. These homes are especially beneficial for those looking for quick, affordable housing solutions, temporary living arrangements, or even vacation homes. Second, sustainable materials. The tiny homes are built using durable and efficient materials such as concrete and expanded polystyrene foam. These materials ensure the structures are robust, energy efficient, and resistant to common issues like mold, pests, and weather damage. The use of sustainable building materials also means these homes have a lower environmental impact compared to traditional houses. Third, integration with Tesla energy solutions. One of the standout features is the integration of Tesla's solar panels and Powerwall batteries. This allows the tiny homes to generate and store their own electricity, enabling off-grid living. The solar panels harness renewable energy from the sun, while the Powerwall stores the energy, ensuring a reliable power supply even at night or during cloudy weather. This setup is perfect for those looking to reduce their reliance on traditional energy sources and lower their carbon footprint. And finally, energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a key consideration in the design of these tiny homes. They include insulation, energy-efficient lighting, and appliances, ensuring that the homes remain comfortable throughout the year while minimizing energy consumption. This focus on efficiency aligns with Musk's broader mission of promoting renewable energy and reducing environmental impact. Elon Musk's association with tiny homes is closely linked to Boxabl, a company that has revolutionized the prefabricated housing industry with its casita model. Boxabl was founded by Paolo Tiramani, Galliano Tiramani, and Kyle Denman, and is based in Las Vegas. The company focuses on creating modular, portable, and affordable housing units that can be quickly assembled and easily transported. The Boxabl Casita is a 375 square foot prefabricated tiny home that costs around $60,000. It is built using strong materials like steel and concrete, designed to be fire resistant, water resistant, and energy efficient. Each unit comes fully equipped with a living room, kitchen, bathroom, and a bedroom area, making it a complete functional home. Musk reportedly lives in a $50,000 version of the casita near SpaceX's site in Texas, showcasing his commitment to simplicity and sustainability. While Elon Musk does not own Boxabl, his reported use of their product has brought significant attention to the company and its innovative housing solutions. This connection has led to speculation about Musk's interest in promoting affordable, sustainable housing on a larger scale. Why $10,000? Making affordable housing a reality. One of the most remarkable aspects of this initiative is the price point. Priced at around $10,000, these tiny homes are significantly more affordable than traditional houses, which can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. This price makes it possible for more people to access home ownership, addressing the housing affordability crisis. For Musk, affordability is a crucial aspect of making sustainable living solutions widely available. By lowering the cost, he aims to encourage more people to adopt minimalist, eco-friendly lifestyles. The vision minimalism on Earth and beyond. Elon Musk's vision for tiny homes goes beyond just Earth. His broader goals with SpaceX include colonizing Mars, and the idea of compact, efficient and sustainable housing could play a crucial role in this mission. Mars colonization will require building habitats that are easy to transport, assemble and sustain in a harsh environment. The principles of these tiny homes could be adapted for extraterrestrial use, serving as the blueprint for living on Mars. Minimalism and sustainability. Minimalism is not just about reducing clutter, but also about conscious living. By opting for smaller living spaces, people can minimize their environmental footprint. These tiny homes encourage people to rethink what they truly need, reducing waste and promoting a more sustainable lifestyle. This aligns perfectly with Musk's ethos of sustainability, which is evident in all his ventures, from Tesla's electric vehicles to SpaceX's reusable rockets. Technical aspects and specifications. Here's a closer look at the specifications of these tiny homes, particularly focusing on the Boxabl casita model dimensions and layout. Size. The casita is about 375 square feet, with dimensions of 19.5 feet by 19.5 feet. Layout. Despite its compact size, the interior design is efficient and makes excellent use of space. It includes a living area, kitchen with modern appliances, bathroom with a shower, and a sleeping area. The design emphasizes functionality, comfort, and efficiency. Construction materials. Durable and robust. The use of steel, concrete, and EPS foam makes these homes sturdy and resistant to external elements. Weather resistance. The materials are chosen for their durability, making the homes resistant to fire, water, mold, and pests. This ensures a long-lasting structure suitable for various environments. Energy integration. Solar panels. Equipped with Tesla's solar panels, the homes can harness renewable energy from the sun. Powerwall system. Tesla's Powerwall allows for energy storage, providing a reliable power supply even when off-grid. Quick assembly and mobility. One of the most appealing aspects of the casita is its foldable design, which allows it to be flat-packed for easy transport. The units can be set up in just a few hours, making them ideal for deployment in remote areas as emergency shelters or as temporary housing solutions. This ease of assembly and portability is crucial for addressing immediate housing needs in various situations. Addressing housing affordability and environmental challenges. The global housing crisis has made affordable housing a critical issue. The rising costs of living, urbanization, and economic instability have left many people struggling to afford homes. Tiny homes offer a practical solution to this problem by reducing the cost of ownership without sacrificing comfort. Additionally, the use of renewable energy and sustainable materials addresses the environmental challenges associated with traditional construction methods, which often consume significant resources and produce waste. Potential applications beyond residential use. While these tiny homes are primarily intended as residential units, their flexibility makes them suitable for other uses. Vacation homes. Their affordability and easy setup make them perfect for vacation retreats. Emergency housing. In the wake of natural disasters, these homes can be quickly deployed to provide temporary shelter, off-grid living. For those looking to live off-grid, the combination of solar panels and Powerwall provides a sustainable energy solution. Future prospects and innovation. Elon Musk's involvement in promoting sustainable, affordable tiny homes is a testament to his commitment to innovation. While the concept of small, efficient living is not new, the integration of advanced energy solutions and modern materials makes these homes revolutionary. As the tiny home movement continues to grow, further advancements in technology could lead to even more efficient, affordable, and sustainable housing options, not just on Earth, but also in space. Conclusion. Elon Musk's tiny home project represents a bold step towards sustainable living. By combining affordability, minimalist design, and cutting-edge technology, these homes reflect a vision of a future where people can live comfortably while reducing their environmental footprint. Whether on Earth or Mars, these homes are a testament to the idea that sustainable innovation can be accessible and practical. The integration of Tesla's energy solutions further enhances the appeal, providing a model for what future housing could look like.